Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we're going to be testing this right here, Bar Slick high mileage engine repair. So it claims to stop leaks, noise, and smoking. So I'm going to try this on a Kia Soul 2013. So it does have a lot of noise. I doubt this is going to be able to help on that. It doesn't have any smoking, but it does have a lot of leak and oil consumption. So there's no real way I can demonstrate this to you. You're going to have to take my word for it. But as far as the noise, I might be able to, if it actually does work, I'll be able to demonstrate that. The odds are it won't work, so I will be able to demonstrate that it didn't work. So I'll be showing you the video of the clicking that car has, the Kia Soul. And a lot of Kia Souls have that same click. But as far as the oil consumption and oil leaks, you'll just take my word for it. I'll try to be as impartial and unbiased as I can. And let's go to the garage and let's test this out. Okay, so here we are outside, as you can hear. And this is our Kia Soul 2013. And we're going to try to fix it. I hope this fixes it. And the first thing I want to do is turn it on so you can hear the sound. Okay, so that's the sound we're trying to get rid of. Okay, so I turned the engine off, and it's a good idea to check the level. Make sure that it's not too full, because you don't want to overfill the engine crankcase. So make sure you do that. I did that off camera and it's okay. It's like in the middle, so this is not going to overfill it. So take that off, the cap, the oil cap, and then put that there. Ooh, some trash went in there. That's not good. And now just pour this in. Okay, so take the cap off and remove the foil. There's going to be a foil there, and make sure you get both liquids into the engine. I think that's enough. Okay, so let's put that back. Okay, so let me turn it on. I'm pretty sure it's not going to make any difference right now. So I'm going to drive it around for a little bit and we'll see if there's any difference for now. But like I said, I'm going to turn it on, see what's going on. Okay, so let's turn it on. Always check the panel right here. If you see like a oil lamp, you might have to turn off the engine. Recording started. But I don't see anything wrong, so let's go in the front. I cannot hear any difference. Everything's exactly the same. So let's drive it around and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's go for a ride. Okay, folks, so we are back from our ride, and it's going to take about a month, I would say, for me to be able to make a conclusion here. So I'll be driving it for a month, and then I'll tell you guys if it works. As far as that sound, I don't think that sound's going away, but I'm talking more about the oil consumption. Okay, so we are going to start counting at, let's look at that, 146,196 miles. So we're going to drive it for a few hundred miles and we're going to see if that consumption stops. Okay, folks, so I've been driving this for a few weeks and I just checked the oil. I'm not going to do it on camera because I have to hold the camera with one hand. But I did check the oil level and it has slowed down the consumption, but it has not stopped. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm very disappointed, actually, that this product did not work the way I wanted it. It did not quiet the engine. I didn't really expect that, but I was hoping that it would stop the oil consumption. but it has significantly slowed it down. So that's a good thing, because remember, all the oil ends up in the catalytic converter and it clogs it. So this is going to give me a little bit more life, but it has not done what I hoped for, which was to completely stop the oil consumption. So let's look at the odometer and see where we are. Okay, so we are inside, and we are at 146,724. So I'm not going to give this product a rating because it might be different from car to car. So every car will be different. This is just my personal experience. Your experience might be different because you might have a different car or a different problem with your car. But it's entirely up to you if you want to use this. But just keep your expectations very, very, very low. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.